Hello and welcome, dear students. This is the portion, the learning targets for the remaining part. We have nearly completed the portion where we are actually gleaning from the past, where we had initiated the last lesson, and we are nearly completing it. The students are requested to read from the screen and make a note of the portion that is remaining to revisit. We have already completed the proposal, that is the one act play, and from the other book, that means from workbook, we are in the process of completion. And in the supplementary reader, we have already initiated Boli. We are about to complete that. The revision, now we'll begin with responding to the model question papers from the CBSE question papers to be practiced with effect from this week onwards. We will also continue revisiting certain grammar which were covered in the workbook. Direct and indirect speech, we will also be covering finite and non-finite verbs, infinitive, gerunds, and participles. And we will also continue with the workbook, that is unit 8, which is in the process. And then we will be revisiting the re-examination of term 1, that was as a practice to be done by the end of November. Certain grammar exercises to be completed by the end of this month, that is from then we'll be doing we'll continue with workbook, that is unit 9, identifying synonyms, antonyms, and other reading passages and writing. And the practice continues. The lesson that is deleted by the CBSE has been scored out from here. The question answers with the citations to be practiced, revision, and responding to answer scripts. The students are requested to begin responding to question papers and submit it for a feedback. And students are also requested to revisit the workbook, the exercises that are covered, though it is stated that it is deleted, but it is also mentioned that the portion is to be dealt. The students are requested to prepare for the mock examination, which will take place by the end of November. The second mock exam will also take place by January, and by the end of February the students will be appearing for their board examinations. Let us revisit the textbooks of first flight. The first flight lessons that has been deleted is the score. It is highlighted in red. The remaining are a part of the portion. And from the poem, it is the poetry which is highlighted in red. It has been scored out by the CBSE, and the remaining are covered, and it is in the part of the portion. From the footprints without feet, the portion that is highlighted in red has been scored out by the CBSE. For internal assessment, the students are requested to record their video and submit it by the end of November. And the notebook submissions, the notebook to be submitted on Flipgrid, and as well as in the assignments on weekly basis. The students are also requested to go to independent practice for practicing their reading comprehensions, which have been uploaded from time to time, and it will continue to be uploaded. The students are also requested to make a note of all the grammar that has to be covered, or they need to practice during the revision. The one that is highlighted in red has been deleted by the CBSE, but it is advised to practice. Literature, the objectives, kindly practice your literature as per the objectives listed over here. The question answers to be practiced accordingly. The question paper format that was released earlier, the question typology with the short answers and detailed answers, it has been revised, and the revised question paper format has been posted for the students. The deleted portion has been re-mentioned over here for students' reference. Thank you very much, and all the best for the remaining practices. Students are requested to submit their speaking and listening video by the end of November. the topic remains the same, that is pandemic. The students are requested to research further what India has done, what efforts have been taken in India. The students need to find out more about each city and analyze the result of the efforts taken, record the video. The objective is to take turns, that means the partner and the student should be able to take turns. Speak, introduce yourself with your complete name and the topic, and then speak about it, and your partner will pose a question. You are supposed to respond to the question, then your partner will introduce himself or herself and speak about it. You will pose a question to your partner will respond, and you will complete the conversation. The objective is turn taking, and the topic is pandemic and the role of India during the pandemic. The date of submission, it is towards the end of November, just before your first mock examinations. The video to be submitted through email. Thank you so much.